Once upon a time, a tortoise and a hare lived in a lush forest. The hare was swift and confident, while the tortoise was steady and patient. They often engaged in friendly banter. One sunny day, as they strolled along a winding road, the hare couldn't resist mocking the tortoise.
"Look at you, slowpoke," he chuckled. "I can cover miles in the time it takes you to walk a few steps."
The tortoise remained calm.
"Speed isn't everything," he replied. "Sometimes I surprise even myself."
The hare scoffed, and their argument escalated. Just then, a wise black bear appeared. "Enough bickering," he said. "Why not settle this with a race? Let's see who truly deserves the title of Speedy." Both animals agreed, and the bear became the impartial witness. The race would span from a tree at the forest edge to the mountaintop. Whoever completed one round and returned to the starting point would be declared the winner. News of the race spread, and curious animals gathered to watch. Some whispered that the tortoise had no chance, while others rooted for the underdog. The signal was given, and the hare shot off like an arrow, leaving the tortoise far behind. His speed was astonishing. He covered ground effortlessly. But as he reached the middle of the mountain path, he glanced back. The tortoise was still at the base of the tree, plodding along steadily. The hare decided to take a break. He rested under a massive banyan tree, its leaves casting a soothing shade. The cool breeze lulled him into a deep slumber. Meanwhile, the tortoise persisted. His slow but unwavering pace carried him upward. He didn't stop or give up. Gradually, he closed the gap. As the tortoise neared the finish line, the other animals cheered. The hare stirred from his slumber, disoriented.
"What happened?" he mumbled. "The tortoise must be struggling."
But when he reached the finish, he was in for a shock. The tortoise stood there, wearing a victory crown. The animals clapped and congratulated him. The hare stared, dumbfounded. The tortoise smiled at the hare.
"Speed isn't everything," he said. "Consistency and determination matter."
The hare sat down, regret gnawing at him. He had underestimated the slowest animal in the jungle. From that day on, he learned to respect the tortoise's steady resolve. And so, the tortoise's victory became a timeless lesson. Slow and steady wins the race.